Welcome to the open house. Hi guys, my name is Aidi and we're here in District 10 today at Bukit Timah, one of the most highly coveted districts in Singapore. So today's property tour is a little different. We'll be featuring a new launch condo that has just recently met its TOP, and it's currently 69% sold out, but there's still over 90 units for you to choose from. So if you're looking for a freehold, brand new, ready to move in new launch condo located in the heart of Bukit Timah, make sure you watch till the end. Located at 226 Anamalai Avenue, Royal Green is a freehold, low-density, 285 units new launch condo that has just recently met its TOP in December 2021. The highest floor for this development is only up to level 5, so if you are someone that prefers a less crowded and more exclusive environment, then this will definitely be suitable for you. The bedroom types that are currently available for sale at Royal Green are 2 bedrooms from 1.8 million, 2 bedroom plus study from 2 million onwards, 2 bedroom premium from 1.89 million, 3 bedroom from 2.7 million, 3 bedroom plus study from 3 million onwards, and 4 bedroom plus study from 3.6 million. Royal Green is also situated in a highly convenient location, just 3 minutes walk to 6th Avenue MRT, and 2 MRT stops away and you will have Botanic Gardens MRT that connects you to the Circle Line, 3 stops to Stevens MRT for the Thomson East Coast Line, and 4 stops to Newton for the North-South Line. Bukit Timah is also known for its renowned education belt, where Royal Green is situated within close proximity to prestigious schools such as Nanyang Girls High School, Hwa Chong Institution, National JC, Methodist Girls Primary and Secondary, Swiss School, and Raffles Girls Primary School. The nearest food and dining options would be Guthrie House just a short walk away, 6th Avenue Shopping Centre, the Grandstand, and Greenwood Avenue. It also only takes you approximately 10 minutes to reach Orchard if you are driving. So we're here at the 2-bedroom plus study unit to show you how one of the actual units in Royal Green will look like and the furnishings that you'll be getting. So this 2-bedroom plus study has a total size of 818 square feet. And as this is a brand new condo that has just recently met its TOP, you'll still be able to rectify any potential defects that you may find with the developer in the next 1 year. And if you would like to find out how the other bedroom types in Royal Green look like, do reach out to us to get a copy of the floor plans and to schedule an on-site viewing. So the landscaping has been really well done up at Royal Green, with the concept revolving around luxurious, resort and relaxing vibes. As you can see, we are surrounded by greenery all around, so it brings you a lot of peace and serenity while you're staying here. So if freehold, brand new, ready to move in, and prime District 10 Bukit Timah checks out the boxes of what you're looking for, be sure to contact us at 93209699 to schedule an on-site viewing. Alternatively, if you do not think this is a good fit, don't worry.
as we market over 100 new launch condos in Singapore. We can help you shorten your search of your dream house, as well as help you to obtain direct developer discounts. Thank you for watching once again, and the open house welcomes you home.